So here we are back at the camper. It is May, and I remember in the last video, Jordan said we would start in May.
That was right.
So here's the camper. We did have a little bit of issue with up here. Our gutters started poking through the cover, even though there were gutter guards on them. And we're gonna get this thing uncovered and attempt at de-winterizing / summerizing the camper. Uh-oh. And hopefully get it ready for our trip. So here we go.
Dirty.
You need to power wash it?
Not tall enough.
Do you want the ladder?
Yeah, probably. Need a drink. We're 2 minutes in. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine.
It's gonna be great.
That gutter pretty much went all the way through the cover. They're all kind of like this, but this is the worst. Perfect example of how nothing ever fits back in the box like it should. Jordan's gonna make it happen.
Come on, baby.
Good enough.
Money.
There it is. Looks just like it did last year.
I would hope so. Oh, right in the propane. I'm an idiot.
Batteries in and hooked up. Propane is next. Like a glove. There you go. Perfect.
I don't know which way this went.
Inside looks good. Grill. Everything kind of thrown in here because that's how we did it. Is this your handiwork over here?
What? Yeah, it's a beaut.
So if you guys were wondering, we're taking this over to the dump station where we store our camper, and we're gonna try and de-winterize to the best of our abilities. And as you can see, Jordan down there tinkering around with stuff. I don't think he knows what he's doing because I've heard I don't know what this does at least 5 times.
What could possibly go wrong?
So much could go wrong. So what do those do?
It's letting all the antifreeze run out.
What are they?
The hot and cold water lines.
Oh.
And it's biodegradable antifreeze before anyone comments on that. It's safe for the environment. All right, well, let's go move it, I guess.
Time to hook it up.
We're getting there. I feel like something's gonna come out of here. Which it might be a good thing. I don't know. I wanna know what this is. Okay. I think when you turn the hot water on, it's gonna try to fill the hot water tank. And that might start leaking out over there because I have that cap off. I don't really know.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
I'm gonna go check out here while you're doing that.
Currently doing the tire pressure. They're a little low.
I think these we can leave open for now. And I think with these, I guess we can leave them closed. Because that's how you drain all the water on the lines.
Okay. So we are officially de-winterized / summerized, so we can finally just hook up and go because there's no more antifreeze in here. So hopefully you enjoyed the little journey here. When we have our next first setup, I'll make sure to make a video. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you with more of these Camper Chronicles videos. What's going on with you right now?
I got poop on my hand. The things, both valves were closed, and I got a little residual winter shit on my fingers. It's still there. I've hand sanitized. We need to go home and shower. We're going home.
We're not touching poop hands.
I got poop hands. Get the fuck out.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.